To fix any bug in Messenger, start by identifying the issue and gathering information about the problem. This includes the type of device and operating system you are using, as well as the steps that led to the bug. Next, try basic troubleshooting steps such as restarting the Messenger app or your device. This can often resolve common issues like freezing or crashing. If the problem persists, check for updates in the App Store, as newer versions of Messenger may include bug fixes. Clearing the app's cache and data can also help resolve issues. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, and select Messenger to clear cache and data. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and select Messenger to offload the app or delete and reinstall it. If you are experiencing issues with a specific feature, such as messaging or video calls, try disabling and re-enabling the feature or checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is necessary for Messenger to function properly. For more complex issues, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Messenger, or resetting the app to its default settings. You can also check the Messenger Help Center or contact Facebook support for further assistance. To prevent bugs from occurring in the future, keep your device and apps up to date, and be cautious when installing third-party apps or software that may interfere with Messenger. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily fix any bug in Messenger and get back to messaging your friends and family.